Are you contemplating divorce and wondering, should I or shouldn't I? Many people don't realize that their body and emotions are sending them messages every single day. In fact, those messages are the clues to the answers you're looking for. Ignoring these messages could affect your health, your marriage, your happiness, your relationships, your career, your family, your state of mind, your ability to make proper decisions, and your ability to gracefully move forward towards your desires. Hence, keeping you feeling stuck. And yes, in one way or another, all of this will also impact your final decision to either stay married or get divorced. So if you're unsure of what to do, we're here to introduce you to a realistic solution that can help you find your way to get unstuck, make more grounded decisions, be more clear-minded, release anything that is sabotaging and blocking you and your well-being, reignite that part of you that got lost somewhere along the way, become healthier and happier, and help you find your new path, your new direction, and perhaps the new you. If you're ready to turn your life around and hear more about how you could lose what needs to be lost and find what needs to be found again, enter your name and email address below. You will have immediate access to an incredibly powerful free video that dives deeper into a solution that will benefit you and your family for years to come. You have nothing to lose, but an incredible amount to gain. Please enter your name and email address below. I promise you that you won't regret it.